Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be looking at how do we draw the development for a truncated cone. In the previous video, we looked at the development for a cone. In today's video, we'll be looking at a cut cone, which is called a truncated cone. What would the development look like? So perhaps you could visit that video after you have finished watching this one so you can understand the fundamentals where the truncated cone is coming from. All right, so we're gonna move on with today's video, and thanks for joining us. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're looking at the how do you draw the development for a truncated cone, right? Given the front elevation and plan. Now, the drawing at the top, the circle is representing the incomplete plan of a truncated cone, while in the front elevation it shows a triangle which represents the truncated cone, and the cut is represented by this horizontal line right here. Okay, that horizontal line. So to complete the plan, see, since it is incomplete, you're going to draw a construction line from here going up to the center line, enter, and that will be the radius. Okay, so we go circle, center, radius, and that will be the circle. So that is how you would complete the plan if you're asked to complete the incomplete plan of the given front elevation and plan, and the cone is truncated and you're required to complete the plan. Okay, so the first step to get the development for the cone, which is shown on the screen, you're going to divide the plan into 12 equal parts. Okay, then from the top of the cone in the front elevation, you're going to draw an arc which is equal to the length of the side. You're going to mark it going around. Then you're going to mark off 12 of these divisions that you had cut up in the plan going around, right? Then when you mark off those divisions, you're going to join the points to the apex. Okay? Then the next step is to locate the cut on the code. The diagram on the left of the screen shows the front elevation and plan of the truncated cone. The diagram on the right shows the development, the start of the development for this truncated cone. Okay, so here we have 12 divisions being marked off, and the length of the arc would be this measurement here shown in the plan. So what you do, you cut up the plan into 12 equal parts, right? If you was doing it the traditional way, you would use the 36 set square to cut it up into 12. Okay, then you would put your compass point at the top of the front elevation, the triangle representing the cone, and the radius would be at the end of the line, and you scribe an arc. And then you would mark off 12 of this distance going around. Now that would be the complete cone. What you want to do is account for the truncated section, the part that is cut. So what you're going to do now, you're going to go on from the top of the cone, which is the top of the triangle. You're going to put the radius here. I'm going to mark an arc going around. There's the arc. Good. Enter. All right, so that is the arc. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this little excess piece because it is beyond the development that we need, because the last point will be at this line, okay? All right. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna dart the edges for our development, okay? So we need that side, enter. We need this edge, enter. We need this edge, enter. All right. So this is a development for the truncated cone. So here we were given the front elevation and plan. And so the drawing on the left on the screen is the given question, and the drawing on the right is showing you the same front elevation and plan, with the plan divided into 12 equal parts. And also it is showing you the answer, the solution, which is a development for the truncated cone. So I hope you found the video useful. Let me know your thoughts about the video. Were you able to complete the drawing accurately? And this section is a front elevation. So this brings us to the end of this video. Good job if you got the drawing correctly done. Thanks for watching. And in the next video, we'll be looking at how you draw the isometric view of the truncated cone. So see you then, and take care until we meet again. Bye.